The top priority of a poster design is to expose key information and for it to be easy to read from a distance. The use of space and hierarchy are very important here. So on this poster, we can see that it has balance by placing a text group in the center and the design elements on both sides of the poster. There's high contrast not only in the background but also in the text size. So this helps establish hierarchy. The background adds a nice touch of movement to what could have been a static group of design elements. While there's contrast on the colors of the background, the designer also used cool tones. This is balanced with the black and white type to not create more visual noise. And last, the font used here is a sans serif. Super easy to read from long distances, the text is concise, the date and the time are grouped together, and the hashtags have another little group at the bottom, so it is divided in good harmony and with good use of hierarchy.